Hello everyone, welcome to the episode. This is the third episode of Learn With Me. Today's topic will be about business tools, the tools that I use for my business. And don't forget, there will be timestamps for you to skip over to your favorite tools or apps or websites and enjoy. So the first one will be Canva. I use Canva for two reasons. First, for this YouTube channel, and for my other YouTube channel. It's not mine, it's for the business, Saba shop. I use that for it, and I'm trying to pump out more content for the other YouTube channel. So I'll be using Canva a lot. And the second one is Notion. Notion is the thing that I take my notes, my task for the business, for my things that I need to do for the day. That's very great for me, using something to remind myself there's something that I need to do. And the third one, Excel. I use Excel for my finance. And also taking quick notes that I didn't put on Notion. So yeah, I use Excel for my finance. And the third one will be Pinterest. I use Pinterest for getting inspired for content, things that I need to post on social media. Sometimes my brain just runs out of ideas, like photo ideas or content ideas. So I will go on Pinterest and search for a couple of things. And the fifth will be YouTube. I use YouTube for uploading, except that I use it for research. I use it for learning new things and things that I will need to implement on this channel or my YouTube channel to see my competitors. And also there's great courses on YouTube about marketing and those kind of things. So we learn and also talk about it. Those are my 5 top used tools and I will use for 2022. And thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's podcast. This is the third episode of the season, So thank you for being here. Thank you for listening, and I will see you next Friday.